This is how to access airplane mode from the notification bar. Swipe down to bring up the notification bar, and then locate the airplane icon. Once you find it, turn it on, and then wait for a few moments. And now turn it off. And then we'll wait momentarily for the connection to be restored. And now we'll check an app or a browser, and for this demonstration we'll use Flipboard. And if you have a connection, then it's a success. How to access airplane mode from the settings icon in the notification bar. Swipe down to bring up the notification bar, and then tap on the settings icon. And once there, you'll want to find connections, or on some Android devices, network and internet. And once you find it, tap on it, and then locate airplane mode, and then tap on this icon to turn on airplane mode, and then wait a few moments, and now turn it off, and we'll wait momentarily for the connection to be restored. And now we can go to our home screen and then try an app or a browser to see if you have internet connection. And for this example, we will use Flipboard. And then we'll want to tap on any page on here to see if we have an internet connection. And if it works, it's a success. This is how to access airplane mode from the app drawer. And since we're already in our app drawer, you want to scroll down and locate settings. And once you find it, we want to tap on settings. And then we want to go down to connections, or on some devices, network and internet. And once we find it, we want to tap on it. And then we want to locate airplane mode and tap it to turn it on, if you want to wait a few moments, and then turn it off, and we'll wait for a few moments for the connection to be restored. Okay, and now we could check our browser or an app. And in this case, we'll use Flipboard as an example. And if you can access an article or a web page, then it is a success.